Introduction and Overview. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is the latest addition to Apple's premium smartwatch lineup, designed for outdoor adventurers and athletes. This model features a brighter and more efficient display that delivers superior visibility in various environments. With a screen resolution of up to 406 by 129 pixels and a pixel density of 576 ppi, the watch is powered by Apple's A-series chip, which provides faster processing capabilities compared to previous versions. The Ultra 3's battery life has been enhanced, offering a longer-lasting charge than before, with up to 8 days of continuous use on a single charge. This extended capacity allows users to easily navigate through their day without needing to constantly worry about running out of power. One major improvement that sets the Apple Watch Ultra apart is its rugged titanium build, which provides unparalleled durability and resistance to damage from dust, water, and other environmental factors. The watch's dimensions are also larger than previous models, making it easier for users to wear during extended activities like hiking or swimming. The watch offers a wide range of health and stay tuned until the end. I will reveal the expected release window and price range together. And if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you do and tap the bell for more honest breakdowns. Fresh look at build and design. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 builds on the premium smartwatch lineup with significant improvements in performance, durability, and features designed for outdoor adventurers and athletes. The latest addition to the collection is a brighter and more efficient display, faster processing, longer battery life, and new health and fitness tracking options. One of the key enhancements introduced by the Ultra 3 is its improved brightness, which allows users to watch content in bright sunlight without dazzling or causing eye strain. This feature was previously found on other Apple Watches, but has been significantly enhanced for the Ultra 3, ensuring a crystal-clear display even in direct light conditions. The new display also consumes less power and can last up to twice longer than previous models, making it more energy efficient. The ultra-thin and lightweight design of the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is another standout feature that distinguishes it from other watches on the market. Imaging hardware at a glance. The Apple Watch Ultra 3, with its sleek and durable design built on the company's premium smartwatch lineup, introduces a range of imaging hardware features aimed at outdoor adventurers and athletes. The watch is equipped with advanced sensors that capture high-resolution images through megapixel lenses, providing stunning visuals in bright sunlight or low-light conditions. In addition to focusing on camera performance, the Ultra 3 also boasts an impressive zoom level of up to 2x for clear shots during extended activities. The device's autofocus system ensures accurate focus, and low shutter speeds allow users to capture sharp images even when tracking subjects at a distance. Furthermore, its built-in night mode provides exceptional low-light photography capabilities with reduced noise levels, enabling photographers to capture stunning photos in dimly lit environments. To further enhance the camera experience, the Ultra 3 comes equipped with an aperture of up to f/2.8 for advanced manual control and shallow depth of field options. This allows users to fine-tune their exposure settings and create custom tracking and smart AI tricks. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 introduces cutting-edge tracking and smart AI features that enhance its capabilities as a multi-purpose device for outdoor adventurers and athletes. The watch's brighter, more efficient display delivers an immersive experience with improved brightness levels compared to previous models, allowing users to easily monitor their time, distance, calories burned, and other vital metrics in various weather conditions. Thanks to the faster processing power of Apple's custom A14 Bionic chip, the Ultra 3 is capable of handling multiple tasks simultaneously without slowing down, ensuring seamless performance during rigorous workouts or outdoor activities like hiking, swimming, running, or cycling. Moreover, the watch's advanced GPS technology ensures accurate tracking in challenging environments, enabling users to navigate with ease and pinpoint their location even when they're far from a reliable GPS signal. The Ultra 3A LSO features built-in waterproofing up to 50 meters, 164 feet, allowing users to wear it while engaging in water sports like snorkeling or surfing without worrying about. Bundles filters and controllers. The Apple Watch Ultra 3's bundle of filters and controllers offers a premium experience for those seeking to enhance their outdoor adventures or professional performance. The watch, featuring an improved display with brighter color accuracy, enables users to monitor key metrics such as heart rate, steps taken, and calories burned directly from the wrist. Additionally, its faster processing capabilities allow for seamless navigation through apps and games without compromising battery life. A more robust water resistance rating of up to 50 meters ensures that users can confidently wear it while engaging in aquatic activities like swimming or kayaking. Furthermore, watchOS software updates offer enhanced functionality and performance improvements across various apps and features, allowing users to streamline their daily routines and stay connected on the go. Overall, this bundled set of filters and controllers offers unparalleled convenience and versatility in enhancing the Apple Watch's already exceptional capabilities, making it a versatile companion for battery. How long it lasts. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 boasts a battery life of up to 48 hours, ensuring that users can continue their favorite activities without worrying about running out of power. The watch has been designed with the latest technology and materials, including water-resistant stainless steel casing and a powerful 10W MagSafe charging system, which allows for quick and convenient wireless charging sessions. With this high-capacity battery, you'll be able to easily navigate through long hikes or runs while still staying connected to your phone's notifications and apps. The watch also includes the latest version of Apple watchOS, offering enhanced health and fitness tracking features such as built-in GPS, heart rate monitoring, and step counting capabilities. With a sleek and durable design that can withstand even the harshest outdoor conditions, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is an ideal companion for any adventurer or athlete looking to stay connected while pushing their limits on adventures of all kinds. Apple Watch Ultra 3 is a premium smartwatch that builds on Apple's existing lineup, offering significant improvements in performance and durability. The new model features a brighter and more efficient display, faster processing capabilities, longer battery life, and advanced health and fitness tracking options specifically designed for outdoor adventurers and athletes. With enhanced GPS accuracy, the watch offers rugged titanium builds suitable for extreme sports, making it not only a functional piece of equipment, but also an attractive accessory in its own right. The Ultra 3 refines the design while incorporating software upgrades to enhance user experience on watchOS. This update adds more reliability for everyday users and those pushing boundaries in challenging environments, as well as new features such as customizable watch faces and support for third-party apps. The sleek and lightweight titanium casing offers a premium feel that sets it apart from other smartwatches. One significant advantage of the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is its long battery life, which provides up to 28 days of continuous use without needing to be charged. This extended endurance makes it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who rely on their watch during long hikes or runs. If this breakdown helped, please subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.